In this video, we are going to start going through the different components of our dashboard, okay? And we're going to start with comments. So we can already see that we've got one notification inside comments, and this will correspond to the new comments that we have added earlier, okay? So let's go inside comments, and we can see that the new comment is just there, and we can decide what to do about it. And we've got plenty of choices there. So if you want to approve the comments, you just click on approve. And if we refresh the page, now we don't see the message saying that the comment is awaiting moderation anymore. Okay. We can delete the comments if we want to by clicking on trash. And now if we refresh the page, the comment has disappeared. All right. Okay. Now let's move to posts, and here we can see all the posts that we can see on our front page. Okay, so our front page at the moment is the post page, which means that it shows all the posts that we add to our website. Okay, so we can add a new post by clicking on add new, and we can also edit this post, okay, or delete it if we want to. So let's add a new post. Let's give it a title. This is a new post. Okay, and we've got here a visual editor, and we've got a text editor. So the visual editor is similar to a word processor. Okay, text editor is more for HTML code. So let's use our visual editor and write some code here. So this is one line, and this is another line. Okay, so we can use these buttons to style our text or add links or media. So for example, we can make our text centered like this. We can add a link. Okay, let's add a link in a new line, and you can choose the URL of the link. So for example, google.com, and we want to say the text of the link, Google. Okay, so that's going to be a link. We can also add some media by clicking on add media, and you can select a file from your computer. So let's add a picture. Okay, and we can just insert it into our post. Okay, you can choose the size of the picture. We can also give it a link. Okay, so let's leave it for now with no link, and we can add some other details like description of the picture, the alt attributes, and so on. So let's insert our picture into the post. Okay, so now if we publish, okay, and update, now let's refresh the page. And now we've got a new post there, okay? And you can see the date of the post, okay? And the text that we've written there, and also the picture. Okay, so that's how we can add a new post to our website.